Melissa and Kenzie here. She wants to be in the video. We are going to teach you how to make a very easy summer salad today. It's a watermelon, feta, and basil salad. And you literally need 3 ingredients. You need watermelon, feta cheese, and basil. And what you do is chop it all up and throw it all together in a bowl. It's actually a great salad to take to parties. I did this a lot last summer, and it was very popular for some reason because it's so simple and really delicious. If you don't like basil, you can always substitute with fresh mint. That's another option. You can also make a dressing for it. I keep mine plain, but if you do a dressing, maybe something with some honey in it, maybe a little bit of citrus, something like that. So anyway, without further ado, I will show you how to make this, and as always, enjoy.